Want to get your products listed on Google Shopping? Let's walk through the Google Merchant Center setup step by step. First, go to Google Merchant Center and sign up using your Google account. This is your gateway to showcasing products on Google Shopping. Next, prove ownership of your website. Use Google Search Console or add a meta tag to your site's HTML. Set up shipping and tax details to ensure customers see accurate costs before checkout. Now upload your product feed. You can use a spreadsheet or integrate directly with platforms like Shopify. If you plan to run shopping ads, link your Merchant Center to Google Ads for better reach. Finally, submit your products for approval. Once Google reviews and approves them, your products will be visible to millions of potential customers. And that's it. A properly set up Merchant Center account increases visibility, boosts sales, and strengthens your brand's online presence. Need help? Drop your questions below.